friends, welcome back to my channel Harchi Creations. In this video I would like to describe a very easy and very pretty cast on method. It looks so pretty, looks like a pearl, granules. Let's start the tutorial. Friends, before starting the tutorial, if you really like my video, then please don't forget to subscribe my channel and press the bell icon to receive the notification of the upcoming video. Also hit the like button and share my video with your friends and in your groups. Friends, for this cast on technique, we will cast on stitches half as per the requirement of our project. For example, if we need 30 stitches for our project, then in starting we will cast only 15 stitches, or if we need 40 stitches, then in starting we will cast on only 20 stitches. So let's start. First of all, one thing more, in starting we will cast on stitches with the single thread. We will not use a double thread like this, we will use a single thread. So first of all, make a knot here like this. Now I will cast on stitches here, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 and 10. I have cast on here 10 stitches. So friends, it is start from the wrong side, so I have cast on like this method. This is a wrong side and it is right side, see here, and it is wrong side. So first row, knit the first stitch. After that we will pull a loop from here, from the below we will pull a loop like this, then knit the next stitch like this. We will repeat this process in the whole row. First pull a loop from here like this, then knit one stitch, again pull a loop from here like this and knit next stitch, again pull a loop from here and knit next stitch, pull a loop like this and knit this stitch, again pull a loop from here and knit this stitch, pull a loop from here and knit this stitch, pull a loop from here like this and knit one stitch. Friends, in the last I have only one stitches, so our stitches will be decreased, therefore we will knit this stitch for 2 times. First time simply knit like this and second time through the back loop. So here 2 stitches are formed. Second row, now we will knit all the stitches in the second row. So friends, let's see, our pattern is formed like this. Now here we have 20 stitches, 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 12 13 14 15 16 17 18 19 and 20. From 10 stitches I have made here 20 stitches. So now I will make some rows by knit all the stitches in the right side or in the wrong side, then I will show you. You can make rows upon your choice, 2, 3, 4, whatever you want, the length of your border. After making some rows, our border is like this. You can make these rows according to your choice, 2, 4, up to your length of your border. So I hope you will like my video. Friends, thank you for watching my video and enjoying knitting with us.